Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about three different terms that are showing like there are expressions to show like there are different possibilities. So if it's a condition, it depends on or it depends. It shows also like like kind of a condition, and it depends if also shows a condition. So we're going to learn how to use this in Spanish. So, depende. Depende is like it depends. You can say this always. And depende de qué? It depends on what. So, these are common things that you're going to hear. Uh, Sometimes you ask a question and the answer will be depende, right? So, the first term we're going to talk about is the word si. Si means if, and this si is not the same yes. The yes goes with that goes with a stress on top. This is yes, si. If it's without the stress, it means if. So now you know, and also doesn't have the strong stress on it. Like yes is si, and if is like si. Si tengo dinero, voy al teatro. So it's kind of the same sound, but one is stronger than the other. So yeah, if I have money, I go to the theater. Yeah, easy. We can use here present, present. For these conditions, we just use present, present, present. Si tengo dinero, voy al teatro. Si voy al teatro, me siento en la primera fila. So we just put any sentence after if. Yeah. So now you know, see without the stress on it means if. Of course, people write it wrong. Sometimes they don't want to put the stress on it. It's okay. So you just have to uh, follow the context and see if it's actually an if or a yes. But most of the times you understand. Um, the second expression here, depende, yeah, means it depends, yeah. Depende de, that will be like the on, depends on, right? So depende de is it depends on, and then you're gonna put a noun, yeah. It depends on things, so you can say it depends on the money, it depends on the situation, it depends. In this case, depende del clima. So let's say, vamos mañana a la playa. An answer will be depende del clima. So, shall we go tomorrow to the beach? Depends on the weather. Depende de la situación. Yeah, it depends on the situation. That will be an answer. Remember, you are going to use here a noun. Yeah, it depends on and then a noun. So, el clima is a noun. La situación is a noun. Yeah, remember that del is de plus el. It's like a contraction. The last one we're going to talk about is very similar, but instead of saying depende de, is going to be depende de si. It's the same, it depends if. So sometimes people say depende si, but it's better to say depende de si. Yeah. Um, Depende de si puedo conseguir ese trabajo. So, for example, let's say, oh, compramos el carro. Shall we buy the car? And then this could be an answer. Depende de si puedo conseguir ese trabajo. So yeah, I mean we can buy the car, but it depends if I can get that job. So yeah. Um, oh, also, shall we go now? An answer, a question, and this could be the answer. Like, vamos ahora, nos vamos ahora. Vamos ahora, depende de si encuentras las llaves rápido. It depends if you find the keys fast or quickly. Yeah. So that's it. So you have if, it depends on, it depends if, and you put the rest of the sentence you want to put here. Yeah. Remember, with it depends on, you're always going to put a noun, right? Depende de algo. Yeah. And that will be it. So yeah, how do you practice this? So first we are going to do our flashcards, right? And also, if writing is good for you, do the notes in writing. Not strictly necessary, but if you if you want to do it, you can do it. Now, in real life situations, what we're gonna do is to like to every time somebody asks questions like, "Shall we do this?" or "Do you like that?" or anything. Vamos a la pizzería o ¿Quieres ir conmigo al supermercado? You can answer with these expressions like if, or it depends, or it depends on something, or it depends if, and you're going to explain. So yeah, that's good. I personally love the answer "it depends" because it puts you like in this situation where you have a reason, and you can explain it why. It's nice. So yeah, have fun with this. I hope you use these expressions a lot, especially in your answers. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Gracias y hasta luego. Bye bye.